By the end of this video, you'll know how to play Monster Mash on piano. How it's going to go. You're going to have your finger on B and D, and it's going to go white, black, white, 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 black, white. Move this one up one, white, black, white, 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 black, white. Move this one up one, white, black, white, 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 black, white. And this one's opposite. Put it on D and F sharp, and you go black, white, black, D, 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 D. And I'm playing this, both D's at the same time. Left hand goes right here, where finger 1 is on G, pinky's on C, and make sure that your finger 2 is on your F sharp right there. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we go. It's going to go G, 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 down, down, E, E, down, down, C, C, E, D. Okay, we're going to slowly put both hands together. Put your thumb on G, your pinky on C on left hand, and over here put 1 on B and finger 3 on D. And you're going to play, we're going to start off with G. 1, 2, ready, go. G, white, black, white, white, black, white. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Move your finger up 1 to E. White, black, white, white, black, white. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Move your thumb up to C. 5, 3, 4. And then these go up to the black, white, black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But that goes fast. Okay? Together they sound like this.